Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to do the
unboxing candy straight from Japan.
Yeah, because I got it from the mail. It's mine.
So we're gonna open this, see what's in it,
Yeah.
and try it.
Yeah.
And see if it tastes yummy or
Bad.
nasty. So we opened up the box. There's 20 pieces of candy in here. And they translated it in English on this paper. And it's called a Dagashi box. We're gonna split up the candy and we're gonna each try 10.
It's a pink Hello Kitty lollipop.
And these are biscuits with chocolate. Let's eat.
Very nice. It's so good. It's a lollipop. Look at this. See? It looks like a lollipop, but it has wings on it. Right here.
This tastes like just like chocolate with biscuits.
It's good?
I'm gonna help Zuzi open her second piece of candy, and it's home pie. And mine is brown salt crisps. Let's give me a minute.
It says actually yes. I'm actually gonna taste this. It's gonna be so bad. Let me taste mine first.
Oh. Some salt got in my teeth.
I can't get it.
They taste like a live fish. If I did taste a live fish,
Mommy,
I
taste
think
mine.
that's what it tastes like.
Taste it.
It's nasty.
Okay, I'll taste it later. Save me a piece, okay?
These are like crawfish flavored chips. This had to be one of their eyeballs. Maybe. Or maybe not. We're trying our third piece of candy now. And it's called, this is Pokémon chewing gum. And Zuri's is, oh.
Does it have a name?
No, does not have it.
Oh, here it is. It's an animal poo shaped chocolate surprise. There's chocolate in there? Say that.
Oopsie daisy.
This is really good. It tastes like American gum, but sweeter. Okay. What does yours taste like, Zuri?
I don't know.
It has no taste? Are you sure?
No.
It has no taste at all? Well, mine tastes like just the marshmallow with nothing in it. When there's clearly something in it. What's yours taste like? Let's move on to our number 5. I have this rock, paper, scissors shaped gummy, and Zuzi has a Winnie the Pooh marshmallow. Let's eat. Okay.
Ooh, yummy.
I can't open this. I need help.
Is it good, Barry?
Yep, commit. What does it taste like?
I'm trying. Jeez, lady. Ugh. Okay, so I got mine open. Tastes like a grape flavored gummy. Yeah. What's yours taste like, Susie?
This tastes like marshmallow.
We're moving
number
to
6.
number 6. I got a rice cracker with
And
soy
I
sauce
got-
and plum flavored seaweed.
Mint.
And you
Told
got
you.
a
Kit Kat.
matcha flavor Kit Kat.
Oh my God.
Let's do this. Feels like paper. Oops. It tastes like paper too. This tastes like paper. I think it's seaweed paper. Moving on to number 6. I'm gonna have round shaped fluffy rice crackers. And Susie, let me see what you got. You got in cider candy. Let's see. Smells funny. It's suspicious. No. How? No.
Oh my God.
It tastes weird. I can't explain it.
What's that one?
I can't explain how it tastes. All right, let's move on. We don't like those. We're tasting number 8. I got something I don't know, but I'm gonna taste it.
Missouri, you have flower-shaped sugar candy.
Yeah. I don't think Let me take the blue one. Yummy. It tastes yummy, guys.
Did you eat any?
This tastes weird.
Okay.
It tastes good, but weird at the same time. How is yours, Susie?
Guys,
What's it taste like?
taste it.
What does it taste like? Want me to taste it? Oh. It tastes like sweet stuff.
You got it. The sweet stuff.
Okay.
Sweet stuff.
Let's move on to number 9. I got wasabi and fish flavored seaweed.
And apple corn snack. Let's try it.
I can't even eat it. Yeah. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some water.
You guys just taste good.
Okay guys, we're on our 10th candy. This is the last candy for the night. Let's try. This is sea urchin, a flavor like little biscuit.
I have a mini cream puff. It tastes like chocolate. There's chocolate inside.
This tastes like fish again. Fish again. Urchin is,
Start over and don't talk over me.
do you know what a sea urchin is? If you ever did, this is what it tastes like. Okay. What's yours taste like, Susie?
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate? Good. Can I taste, please?
No. A little bite.
Give him the whole thing. You had 3. Give it to him.
So annoying. Wait, is there one more? If there's one more, give it to mommy. You want to taste mine, Susie?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm like eating it. Nope.
Why not?
It tastes. It smells disgusting.
Yeah, but what does it taste like inside? Taste. That's what she thinks it tastes like. Taste it. Well, guys, we hope you liked our video. Comment down below if you tried any of these, and
Like and subscribe to our channel.
see you on the next video. Bye.